but only problem is that we have created additional data set with every step of operation. So we filtered and we created a new data set ecom1, and then we selected the relevant columns. We ended up creating another data set ecom2, so forth. We ended up creating 6 additional data sets apart from ecom. Right now, if you look at this code here, we don't end up creating any additional column, and this also shows a nice flow, right? So from take the ecom data set, you filter the visitors which resulted in conversion, you select the relevant columns, you group them by the device columns, you compute the total revenue and the total orders, and then you create the AOV column. So this solution that you see on the screen is more readable, easier to understand compared to what you see here, because we ended up creating a new data set in each step. So we learn how to write code like this in another module, which is readable code with pipe, so that you can write more readable code. And what you see on the screen, the symbol, right, which is percentage and the greater than symbol, it's known as pipe. Right, it comes from a package known as magritar. So we learn how to write code like this in another module, which is the third module of this course itself, and you will be able to write a code which is more readable, and which also goes with the way you think about these steps and operations. Right, so this is the solution that we have created. Right, so we went through each of the verbs, main verbs of dplyr, like filter, select, group by, summarize, mutate, and arrange. Now there are a few more questions that we have put in the learning management system for you to practice, so that you can explore and understand these verbs, and the lot more variations of these, like I showed you here. Right, so you have arrange underscore at, arrange underscore if, arrange underscore all. Right, so you can explore these as well. So we'll leave you with some questions that you can try and answer. We'll also put the solution for these in the learning management system, and you can go and check your answers again.